Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Cinema Goat, and in this channel we do different movies and TV show reactions. Today we have a new release. This was released in September 2025, The Bastards of Bollywood. Also guys, I'm not from India, so this is one of the first few Bollywood thing that I'm seeing. So please don't judge me, and yeah, I'm excited about it. Also do subscribe and comment. Like, I think I'm gonna have tons of questions on this one. So yeah, just subscribe. I'll bring next episodes as well. And yeah, let's just start. Oh, he's gonna jump that. Oh, holy shit. Oh, you guys need to call the ambulance.
कहाँ मर गया डॉक्टर?
Call the doctors
अरे डॉक्टर कहाँ मर गया?
ASAP.
स्टंट कर पाएगा?
बैकअप स्टंटमैन को लेकर आ।
Yeah, I don't think so too.
ये सब मुझे नहीं पता। ये शूट आज खत्म होगी। We have to meet the deadline. मार्च होता है deadline. मार्च?
Oh, dude, just don't fall like the other guy. Oh wow, he did it. Oh wow, that's a nice CGI. The city is gone, the style is not. Now this is a classic Bollywood fight. What is inside that? Guns?
Jesus.
Ooh, shit. Oh, people are enjoying it. That was a movie. A movie inside a movie. What? The guy is also watching the movie. He was the hero of the movie, like the cinema, right? Oh, he's running. Run, boy. People go crazy for these actors in India. Oh, he's his friend.
यार इसी दिन का वेट करता है कि कब पब्लिक उसके कपड़े चीड़ फाड़। मैं दिया तेरे को ये दिन थैंक यू बोलने का।
Yeah, I mean,
ट्रांसपोर्ट देते तो?
अल्लाह ने 2 गाय को दिए मैं।
what? Oh, it's kind of a party, something. What is this party about? Wow, that playback singer. Wow, this guy is really singing it.
जितने पैसे मिले उतना ही कर।
He's not happy with the background singer because he sang it so nice.
ऐसा क्या कर दिया मैंने? मेरी गलती है, उसको गाना नहीं आता तो है?
Yeah.
जिंदगी में उसी फटी आवाज से उन्होंने 50 करोड़ रुपए कमाए हैं पिछले।
What? And he's just getting 15K.
भाई 50 करोड़ 15,000 ऐड कर लियो कलेक्शन में।
Wow.
पागल साला।
Why is this guy returning back?
ऑटो के लिए।
For auto?
ओए,
Oh, don't get scared.
इसको ऐसे करके।
I mean, he sang it nice.
Because all the other actors walk all over him. Anyway, आसमान।
Movie critics.
दोनों भाई मिलके सेक्स करेंगे।
What? His mom saw it.
करेगा मैं अलग करेगा।
क्यों?
Oh, thank God. What?
दाढ़ी वाली बहू मुझे कहाँ मिलेगी परवेज? ले मुंह मीठा कर।
She's okay.
तेरी।
She's okay with him. This guy has a different attitude. Oh, we've got him. Shit. It looks like his life is gonna change. Oh, look at them. They're going crazy over him. Wow. Does this happen like in real Bollywood?
आपने बुलाया?
यस आसमान, मुझे तुम्हें किसी से मिलाना था।
कौन सर?
What, that kind of security? The car? That's a nice tattoo.
Everybody knows his name. His blood will rain.
Everybody knows his name.
Mama, toy!
Oh kid, don't go near him. Oh, okay, so he's a sweet guy.
लेकिन अब जो चीज चाहिए उसे पाए बिना रुकना नहीं।
What's that thing?
नहीं, शायद परसों भी नहीं, लेकिन एक दिन वो तुम्हारी जरूर होगी।
What is that thing? Is it money? Is it fame?
क्योंकि जो चीज चाहिए वो चाहिए, शायद आज ना मिले।
He's pasting the same dialogue.
Ready?
My bad.
I'm going in.
तो जा पार्टी कर। Enjoy.
Fuck.
That guy is like a, he looks like a villain.
ये उम्र में लाली पाउडर लगा के पार्टी करोगी तो यही होगा ना?
What? That was rude.
Sorry.
You don't tell those things.
नहीं सर
What? He's fine.
नहीं
His legs are fine.
थिंक उनकी बात विकी से चल रही है
24
हम अगले महीने से शुरू कर सकते हैं
shower scheme.
या
That guy is recording.
टांग बिल्कुल ठीक है थैंक यू
What? His legs are fine.
The DJ.
Oh, he's the one. He's the DJ. He's the one playing it. Oh, he just dropped his drink.
It's okay, no problem.
मुझे धक्का लगा।
वैसे भी मुझे ये शर्ट पसंद नहीं थी।
Damn.
हम आसमान के पेरेंट्स।
Congratulations.
He's fine with the t-shirt.
वरना फेडी जाने नहीं देता।
सर पहले बता दे थोड़ा और गिरा देता।
What? Funny.
सुन ये कोपचे में तेरा वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग ऑन था क्या
सवाल full power.
हाँ क्या
Oh, you have to delete that. What? He's a funny guy.
अब अपने consent के बिना नहीं.
Yeah, don't touch him without his consent. Especially not in that place.
Asman, can we just talk for a minute?
ये कॉन्ट्रैक्ट वाली। She's back.
She's the manager.
And you want a minute?
सर जिंदगी बदलने की बात हो रही है 1 मिनट तो फिर भी कम है ना
Yeah, that's right.
मैं गांडू मैं भी पहनता था एक टाइम पे हेलो
He's gifting the watch for the video, right? He's not that sweet-hearted guy.
बिकाऊ नहीं है मैं. नीचे आपका घड़ी.
Yeah, he does not want it.
आप प्यार से भी कह सकते थे. मानते हैं आपको दिल से. फीलिंग है.
Oh, he just deleted it.
नहीं मेरे को नहीं.
रख रहे
नहीं,
गिफ्ट
मैं-
है अरे दुआ में याद रखना चल
Oh, okay. He's a good guy. He's a sweet guy.
आप भी याद रखना.
क्या
What?
बॉय.
ओ
He just gave his watch as well.
से भी डिलीट कर वीडियो दिखा ना मेरे को किधर तेरे को सर्च करके डिलीट करेगा मैं लास्ट लाइव व्हाट अभी
Gave his watch.
लगता है दूसरी देगा आसमान उसके लिए बिजनेस है फॉर यू इट्स योर लाइफ
सही करिए।
That's true.
पहले हिट भी तो हो सकती है यार, भी पॉजिटिव सोच के देख।
ऑल आई एम सेइंग इज डोंट मैरी द फर्स्ट
A manager always has the brain. So he's not gonna sign it.
ड्यू डिलिजेंस ये सब मैंने तेरे लिए किया।
एंड यू
This guy is really like a villain.
जाने दे। Let's just have another drink. मैं किसी और को ढूंढ लूंगा।
So,
Oh, he's afraid now.
व्हाट इज इट कॉल्ड मैन स्मूथ
He's gonna sign it.
pen.
Oh shit, he's gonna sign it. See, the manager always has the brain. This guy is really like a villain.
अब जल्दी एक एक्टर ढूंढो जो इतनी बड़ी फिल्म कर सके।
आई विल जस्ट कॉल यू बैक
Oh, this guy wants an actor.
ऋतिक बट अभी अभी he did an action romance film so
She's trying to play with him.
inside like him
She's trying to convince this guy for him.
द फिल्म
और सर पिक्चर तो पसंद नहीं आई थी आपको। फिर भी आप सक्सेस पार्टी में कैसे?
Oh,
will always be a Karan Johar film.
what? He is being manipulated.
I promise you my boy has something special. I wouldn't recommend him.
She's trying to convince him.
सर टीआरपी की जरूरत पड़े तो बोलिएगा सर आ जाऊंगा
Wow. Wow.
No, I didn't get scared. I got.
You were scared. You were scared. Don't lie.
I'm entertained.
Wow, he's impressed too.
not enough.
But
Not enough? Oh, he just rejected him.
ड्रग्स ने इस देश को बर्बाद कर दिया.
Oh, this guy is having drugs.
ये क्या कर रहा है? हाँ?
He's smoking.
साले.
He is just warning someone of Bollywood.
हट मडोना.
And he left this guy. What the hell?
मैं भी बॉलीवुड से हूँ
Nobody wants him. Oh, he's got a villa or something. Why do I feel like this guy is the villain of the whole, series?
Good morning, sir.
Welcome.
My pleasure, sir.
What? That's how we talk to everyone.
ये अजय तलवार ने पिक्चर साइन कर दी
क्या काका?
What? He has not signed it yet, though.
तलवार साथ में तो और क्या चाहिए
मेरी मिठाई.
I don't think he signed it.
कौन सा छूदू?
Oh,
Take that fucking shirt off.
नॉट हियर
छूते.
yeah, not here.
10 साल काम किया है इस इंडस्ट्री में. जो इज्जत देता है उसी को इज्जत मिलती है.
Oh, she's also an actor.
डांसर बन के रह गई और मैं बैकग्राउंड सिंगर भी नहीं बन पाया
यार तू इस पे मत.
Oh, shit.
ठीक है वहीं रह गए हम भाभी कुछ भी नहीं उखाड़ा आपने
So if you're good, if you're honest, if you're innocent, then it does not work like that.
करके देखिए
But they are having a fight now.
सारी तरीके
ऐसी मैंने जरा तू इसको
Yeah. Just leave. Just leave. Yeah.
उसका बहुत बड़ा दिन है.
चलो भाई चाचू
बुरा मत मानो तो कुछ भी कह देना. मेरी हीरोइन तो ये है. सच्ची.
They're cute. They're cute. He's dancing in front of the car.
अंदर बैठ फिर बताता है.
Ooh, he repainted that. That looks cool.
वीर सिंह की घड़ी बेचा और पूरा गाड़ी मॉडिफाई कराया.
What? He sold his watch.
धोखेबाज.
ए लड़की.
Damn, he sold the watch.
भाई लव यू भाई. ये बटन क्या? नहीं उसको टच नहीं करने का.
Do not press.
आसमान.
Wow.
फिल्म इतनी बड़ी हिट हुई है.
That guy just got ignored.
Me to my next question.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
Karishma, you're getting a
What? He again got ignored. No smoking.
nepotism.
Look at this guy's swag. It's too different. Look at his shirt.
Pressure of being Ajay Talwar's daughter.
Can't imagine.
Yeah. And always being in the spotlight means
Wow, that's a nice struggle to have.
I have to work twice as hard just to maintain my own identity.
Oh, he's laughing. He's laughing.
तुम नहीं जानते आसमान मैं कितना काम करती हूँ. And what I go through.
They're gonna have a fight.
Yoga to get to where you are.
They're gonna have a fight now, I guess.
Living in someone's shadow is a struggle in itself. So I don't.
हाँ, इतना जजी होना गलत है.
That is true.
मालूम पड़ेगा कितनी धूप है बाहर.
That was a great dialogue.
The note. Shall we take a break? Yeah. Awesome stuff, guys. Great.
That was a punchline.
Ajay, so
I don't think he's happy with it. I don't think he's happy with it. What? They're bitching in front of him.
है ना तेरे पास सिल्वर स्पून.
Ooh. Ooh. He's listening everything.
लेकिन आसमान सिर्फ एक.
Wow, that was a great dialogue. That's the next level of swag.
सितारे तो बहुत हैं।
I will slap you.
लेकिन आसमान
I swear to God, I will.
Only one.
सिर्फ एक
Yeah, only one.
And guess what?
They are having a call already.
Sania, I just saw the round table. Your boy's rude, arrogant, and pompous.
Yeah. See, no one's. What?
I like it.
What? He likes it?
Tomorrow, I want to sign him. We start in a month.
Congratulations.
Holy shit. Holy shit. He just got a deal.
फिल्म ओए शराब लिया 4
He just got a deal.
तो भाई अब टाइम आ गया है मेरे कमबैक
Oh wow, yeah.
एट दिस रे
Yep.
नहीं 4 फिल्में हैं इसके पास हाँ
4 films? How?
ठन लिया उसने.
Oh shit, he
Signed Freddie's fucking contract.
oh, he signed the contract. Yeah, he did it. He did it. Shit, he just signed the contract.
वास्तव अब जेल में है. And Aramzade 5 is now yours. Congratulations, Asman.
Oh shit.
Hello. लगता है खुशी से बोलती बंद हो गई.
He's got another film?
We'll start the table read soon. Gigi boy will be in touch.
How will he work in 2 films?
और आसमान, एक और बात.
जी सर.
वास्तव जैसी गलती. Say no to drugs.
Oh, that was an awesome episode of the. That was an awesome episode of The Bastards of Bollywood. This was the first episode. It's Meet the Bastards, I guess. Meet the Bats. And yeah, I didn't understand all of it. Like, I don't know what's Bollywood culture, but by seeing that drugs, the government officer, he was trying to catch a guy from Bollywood, not the one who was having the weed here, smoking the joint. So that was weird, but I think it's about Bollywood. So if you guys have any information around that, do let me know in the comments. Also, I'm not from India. I may look like, but I'm not from India, so I don't know much about Bollywood. This is one of the first few Bollywood thing that I've seen. So yeah, if you're interested, do let me know in the comments. Also, do subscribe for more. I'll bring out more episodes of this. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. For now, bye.